so glad to be with you at the Healer Psychic Health Wellness Fair this Saturday, August 22nd. My name is Audrey. I am a born mystic intuitive. I am the transformational catalyst and diversity expander. I teach and do breathing attunements all the time. Do them and your energy lifts and you release, let's call it junk. If you want to be clear, healthy, happy, centered, even in the midst of this physically, mentally, emotionally, spiritually, see me. See me. See others also, but see me. Enjoy and benefit from my clairvoyant, my psychic, my artistic, the gifts that I have been given. I'm from New York City. I live in Florida now, but I'll always have that New York vibe, baby. And now I'm in Lauderdale Lakes. As a child, I did readings for my family, whether they asked or not, and I've been professional for about 40 years. My journey on Earth is to catalyze human growth, shift, and transformation, to help you be your most authentic self, which is always amazing. Tell me your name and your birthday, and I can read you. My clients ask why they were incarnated, what their purpose is, what about relationships, health, the gamut. At the health fair, I am doing readings and healings. You can get a free little mini soul card reading. I'll be glad to do it. And come on a tour of the Goddess Heart Gallery Salon and really bask in the Audrey Omar art that opens the heart. I'm available from 4 to 8 p.m. in room 5, and I will be speaking at 5:30 on food and beverage to raise your frequency. Yes, this is interactive, so arrive on time. My name is Audrey, Audrye. Catch me at audreynow.com, audreynow@gmail.com, 917-494-0628. Bye. Blessings.
Hello and welcome to Higher Consciousness Living. I'm Carol Aliohala Ramsey in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. Thanks for connecting to your new community, the Healers Network of Virtual Fair. I'm available in room 17 from noon to 6 p.m. today. Join me at 105 to heal this lifetime by finding out about a former lifetime. I'll be connecting with you and we will be clearing out some of your karma. My raffle today is a 44 recalibration session, which is a 7th dimensional channeling of a collective of Venusians to realign 13 chakras, activate your original DNA blueprint, reconnect with your source, release some fear so that you can be creative, focused, and confident. The value is $444. Come try before you buy. A free 1 to 2 minute visit in my room, number 17, which former lifetime has created havoc in this present lifetime. Past Lives Reveal is a technique I successfully use in all my practices to help release some of your core memories. I am a fully sentient, multidimensional celestial, here to help you integrate your connection with your source, higher consciousness self, to become your own guru. I am an empath, psychic, medium, and channel for humans as well as for pets. I'm the founder of Goddess Touch Incorporated. I teach Usui Reiki, channeling, past lives, and ascension. I'm a mentor of starseeds as well as empaths. So contact me, the energy expert. You can reach me on Facebook under Goddess Touch or my website, goddesstouch.net. So I'll see you later. Thank you.
Namaste, lovelies. This is your girl, T.R. Livia, with the Starstorm. So, fun fact about me, 2012 is when I had my great awakening. Prior to that, I had a normal job, a normal life, and then bam, I wake up and I have all these gifts and abilities. So now I help you access your gifts and abilities so that you can live a more prosperous life, a life with more love, and a life that's in alignment with your soul purpose. So this Saturday, I'll be at the Healers Network Virtual Fair. The fair is from 12 to 8. I give a free, you heard me, free class on Introduction to Mediumship. That's right, I'm giving you 5 tips to spirit communication that will have you speaking to spirit like a pro. Join me for the workshop. Also, during the event, I'll be giving free card pulls in room 12 from 4:30 to 9. I cannot wait to see you at the fair. Talk to you soon.